Okay. I'm assuming some students have done this chapter or the first exercise. Basically, if you all had it in your exams or as practice. But just for the sake of everyone, I'll be starting from the beginning. That is practice at 10.1. Again, I repeat, we are starting with the 10th chapter, that is division of polynomials. Let's start with 10.1. Okay. Question 1, the first sum. That is 21m square divided by 7m. Okay, let me know if anybody wants to answer. Raise your hands. Hello, yes, Omkar.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, so when we are dividing this,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what is this called as?
The
In
dividend, the dividend,
yes, the one that is being divided is called as a dividend. And what is this?
the divisor.
Okay. So make sure when you're dividing it, we write something like this form
Yes, sir.
and we write the dividend inside and we write the divisor outside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, as most of us are doing it for the first time, I will prefer if you all, whatever we are dividing here, we'll write it here in the working column as 21m square. M square is m into n upon 7m. Okay. And try and cancel whatever you can. So can you tell me what all is getting cancelled?
M,
One m is
one
getting
M
cancelled.
with one M, and seven, ones are 7, and 7, 3s are 21.
So what is remaining here is 3 and m.
Yes, sir.
This is the quotient,
Yes, sir.
3m. Okay.
Now solving
Now,
will be easy, right?
yes. Now all you have to do is basically what when we write this part, it is a multiplication of these two. Try and understand. See, we are starting with very basic, but as the sums go on, that is especially the second exercise, these steps will get more complicated. So we have to follow the steps properly. First, whatever is the divisor and dividend we divide it, we write upon and cancel it. Whatever we get, that is our quotient. Now what we will do is we'll multiply the divisor and quotient. That is 7m into 3m. So first multiply the numbers. What is 7 into 3?
21.
21. What is m into n?
M squared.
M square. Whatever we get after multiplication, just write it below. So 21 m square. And at the end, subtract it. If we subtract the same thing, what answer will we get?
0.
0. Okay, so now tell me, there are two things that will come after division always. One is the quotient and one is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the quotient?
Yes, sir. 3M.
This, what comes on top, what we write on top, that is the actual answer, that is the quotient. And what is the remainder?
0.
What remains after subtraction is the remainder. Okay, so correct. Thank you, Omkar.
Thank you, sir.
As you've seen, this was a very basic sum, and as we keep going ahead, the sums might get a little complicated, but if we understand the steps, then everything will remain easy. Okay. Okay. I'll keep picking one person for each sum, so others also raise your hand if you all want to answer. We are moving on to the second sum now. If nobody picks up their hand, then I'll have to pick someone randomly. (40a cube divided by -10). Okay. Okay, let me pick. Let's try Shravya. Shravya from JB Nagar. Hello. Shravya Shetty. Okay, Ayushi wants to answer. Hello, Ayushi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you see the sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now when we are dividing it, no, if you are ever going to get confused with the signs, forget the signs. Let us write it without the sign. So let us keep it as 40a cube and 10a. Okay. Can you tell me what do we do first in this sum?
Sir, we have to first multiply it.
Multiply what?
10 into 4 is equal to 40.
No, we have to write here as fraction. 40. What do you mean by a cube? A cube का मतलब क्या है? A into A into A. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is A into A into A?
A cube.
Upon what will come below? Divisor क्या है? Hello, Ayushi.
10a.
10a. Okay. Now cancel whatever is possible. What can we cancel? Hello. Hello, Ayushi. Hello, Ayushi. Hello, yes. Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you continue the sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will get cancelled?
A.
Anything else?
Sir, 10 fours are 40.
10 ones are 10 4. So what is remaining if you multiply these three things? क्या मिलेगा? 4 into A into A.
Sir, 4 a square.
And कहाँ पे लिखेंगे?
Sir, ऊपर क्वेश्चन.
Quotient में 4A square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
इसके बाद सेकेंड स्टेप क्या करने को बताया? What do we do in the second step? We multiply these two things. Okay? ये क्या है?
Yes. 10 a.
नहीं, इसका नाम क्या देते हैं? जिससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसका नाम क्या देते हैं? डिवाइजर.
Yes.
यस नहीं, डिवाइजर.
Divisor.
और जो ऊपर रहता है उसको नाम क्या देते हैं?
Quotient.
Quotient. So we'll always multiply divisor and quotient. 10a into 4a square. तो सबसे पहले नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई करो. What is 10 into 4?
40.
What is a into a square?
Sir, a is a cube.
A cube. और ये आंसर हम लोग नीचे लिखेंगे.
Yes.
40 a cube. और सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. जब सेम चीज सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो आंसर क्या मिलेगा?
0.
0. ठीक है?
Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
बट यहाँ पे जब हम लोग लिख रहे थे, what happened was we didn't write the signs. So what I will want you all to write finally is ये जो division था, write it like this again. क्योंकि अभी हम लोग को आंसर पता है 4a square. So you'll write 40a cube upon नीचे minus 10a आएगा. Which if we divide, we know the answer is 4a square. But ऊपर plus है, नीचे minus है. Rushil Tambe, don't write on the screen. हाँ, plus minus है. Plus or minus? Plus
Minus.
देगा minus? Yes, minus. So now can you tell me what is the quotient?
Minus 4 a square.
And what is the remainder?
0.
Correct. समझ गए यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. Yes, thanks, Tanmay. You can mute yourself. Okay, Siddhi from DN Nagar wants to answer. Hello, Siddhi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Can we move on to the next question?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are doing a third sum now. That is minus 48 p raised to 4 divided by minus 9 p square. Okay. Now when we are dividing, क्या हम लोग साइन लिखेंगे या नहीं लिखेंगे?
लिखेंगे.
नहीं लिखेंगे.
नहीं लिखेंगे.
48 p raised to 4 and 9 p square. अच्छा, can you tell me the first step? यहाँ पे वर्किंग में सबसे पहले क्या लिखना चाहिए?
48 p square p4.
48 p4 है तो that is p we'll write 4 times upon नीचे क्या लिखेंगे डिनोमिनेटर में?
9 p square.
9 p square is p into
9
p.
p.
So what can I cancel?
9 5s are 45.
9 5s are 45, but ये तो 48 है ना. पहले p's में से बताओ क्या कैंसिल होगा?
1 p.
Okay. और कुछ?
Again 1 p.
Okay. अब यहाँ में से बताओ कि क्या ये दोनों 3 से कैंसिल होंगे? 48 and 9.
Yeah.
3 how much are?
3 3s are 9.
3 how much are 4?
3 1s are 3.
तो 1 कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है.
Yeah.
3 how much are 18?
The 18.
3 how much are?
6 the 18.
6 are. So do you agree 16 upon 3 आ रहा है?
Yeah.
और ये p कितनी बार है?
p square.
p square. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now ये step लिखने के बाद, quotient लिखने के बाद, what is the next step that we do here in the working part?
We have to do 48 p4 minus 48 p4.
नहीं, we have to do something here. यहाँ पे लिखने से पहले we have to do something here. कौन से दो चीजों को मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए?
p 9 p square.
Yes, multiply divisor and quotient.
Yeah.
So that is 9 p square into
16 upon 13. 16 upon
3 p square. तो जब ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, do you agree 3 1s are और ये 3
3s are 9.
and what is 3 into 16?
48 minus 48 p4.
माइनस नहीं है किधर भी.
Okay.
अच्छा, what is p square into p square?
p4.
p4. Okay. ये हम लोग
Yeah.
नीचे लिखते हैं 48 p4 and then we subtract होगा तो क्या आंसर आएगा?
0.
अच्छा, बट अभी से साइंस इन्वॉल्व थे, अब मैं वापस फ्रैक्शन लिखूंगा साइंस के साथ. 48 p4 अपॉन माइनस 9 p स्क्वायर. इसका आंसर तो मुझे पता है 16 अपॉन 3 p स्क्वायर है, बट ये माइनस है और ये माइनस है, तो इधर माइनस आएगा या माइनस नहीं आएगा?
Yes, sir.
देखो यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन में ऊपर भी माइनस है, नीचे भी माइनस है, तो माइनस
Yeah.
माइनस की वजह से यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा आंसर में या माइनस नहीं आएगा?
माइनस नहीं आएगा.
बिकॉज ऊपर नीचे माइनस कैंसिल हो जाता है, यहाँ पे
Yeah.
माइनस नहीं आता. तो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द कोशिएंट हियर?
16/3 p².
And what is the remainder?
0.
Okay, wait, let me just check.
So can I mute?
1 second. Yeah, you can mute now. Okay. So I hope you all are understanding how in division, before we used to get some number here as remainder, because that's what she was going for, 45 here. But in this case, when polynomials are there, we can even have this in fraction. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question now. Anyone else who wants to answer? Hello, Gargi from DN Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We are looking at the fourth question now.
Yes, sir.
Forty m raised to 5 divided by 30 m cube.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है? So let's divide. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा अंदर?
Sir, 40m
raised to 5 और यहाँ पे
Yes, sir. 30m raised to 3.
30 m cube. Okay, again tell me what is the first step?
Hello.
Hello, Gargi.
Hello.
Yes, tell me the step. Hello. Hello, Gargi, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Nishita from JP Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you help me in this sum?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the first step that we write here?
We have to write it in the fraction form.
So what will come on top?
40m5
So that is m5 times upon
upon 30m cube.
m3 times. Okay. So what will get cancelled?
3m.
M cancel. Okay. Then
0.
0, 0. So what is remaining?
4/3.
4 upon 3, and this is
m square.
m square. Okay. What is the next step that we'll write?
Uh, 30m cube multiplied by 4/3 m square.
Okay. So that we are multiplying divisor and quotient.
Yes.
So 3 ones are, and here
Tens are
10s are. So multiply number into number. What is 10 into 4?
40.
M cube, M square. How many M's?
M5.
5. And this we'll write down. 40 M raised to 5. Okay. So when we
Yes.
subtract, what answer will we get?
0.
So can you tell me what is the quotient here?
4 upon 3m square.
And what is the remainder?
0.
Correct. Okay. Thank you, Nishita.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, next sum, can Ankit from Mulund help out? Ankit Gupta.
Hello, sir. I'm Deepika.
Hello, Ankit.
No, sir, I am Deepika. My brother's name is Ankit.
Acha.
I have to do.
So can you
Sir,
help out in the next sum?
sir, can you explain the sum? Because I joined the lecture now. There is some issue of a Wi-Fi, that's why.
Okay, fine. So I'll show you the fifth sum now. Here, now see, things are getting added. Now we have two terms here in the dividend. So we'll have to repeat the same step twice. Okay. Yes, Deepika, can you tell me what is this?
Sir, 5x cube minus 3x square.
But what is it called? Division में
Subtraction.
no division, in division जो पहले होता है या fraction के ऊपर होता है उसको dividend बोलते हैं, divisor बोलते हैं.
Dividend.
Dividend. और इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Divisor.
तो dividend division के अंदर जाता है and divisor is outside. Okay.
Okay.
So now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to act as if there is only one term here. जैसे हम लोग अभी तक कर रहे थे, तो ये एक ही टर्म है एंड ये टर्म में डिविडेंड वाला पार्ट. यस दीपिका,
Yes, sir.
this dividend wala part in the working column will come in the numerator as a 5x cube. I'll write it as 5x into x into x. And ये जो divisor वाला part है वो नीचे आएगा x into x. So here tell me, can I cancel anything?
Yes, sir. X.
X. Anything else?
Yes, sir. X. 2 times.
Okay. So what is remaining?
5x.
So I'll write 5x in the quotient. Okay.
Okay.
The second step we'll multiply the divisor and quotient. तो कौन से दो चीजों को we are multiplying?
X square multiply 5x.
5x. So what is x square into x?
Cube.
X cube. और ये 5 है तो 5x cube आएगा. This we will write it here. 5x cube. Okay.
Okay.
अच्छा, अब subtract करोगे तो 5x cube minus 5x cube क्या देगा?
0.
0. So this part is done. Now let us continue with this part. Let us bring this down. तो हो जाता है minus 3x square. Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा, अब ये again we'll repeat जो यहाँ पे किया था वही step अभी इसके साथ repeat करेंगे. So this same working will come down. So can you tell me ये fraction में ऊपर क्या लिखेंगे?
3x square. 3x
minus के साथ.
minus 3x x into x. 3x.
And denominator में
X into x.
क्या cancel होगा?
Sir, both the x will be cancelled.
What is remaining?
Minus 3.
That we'll continue here. minus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी क्या दो चीज मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे नीचे?
X square multiplied by minus 3x square.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ -3 है. -3 x स्क्वायर क्यों बोलते हैं?
Okay, minus.
तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होके क्या आएगा? What is
Minus 3x
-3
square.
into x square? Yes, -3 x square. This we'll write it below. minus 3x square, right?
Yes,
अब ये दोनों को जब subtract करेंगे ना, this sign will change. Minus will change to what?
plus.
तो मैं bracket में लिख रहा हूँ. The new sign I'm writing it in bracket. तो ये minus 3x square है और ये plus 3x square है. दोनों cancel होके क्या आंसर आएगा?
0, sir. Because minus plus is equal to
Correct.
minus.
So can you tell me in this sum what is the quotient?
5x minus 3.
And what is the remainder?
So 0.
Very good. Now you understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I mute myself?
Yes. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Yes, let's pick Amberley. Hello, Amberley.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you raise your hand?
So I wasn't really comfortable, so I just wanted to see the sum.
Acha. Now you're comfortable or still not comfortable?
No, I'm comfortable now.
Okay, so it is 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. Okay. Can you tell me again what is this called?
Sir, the dividend,
And this?
divisor,
Okay. So when we are dividing, what will come here?
the dividend.
So 8p cube minus 4p square.
Yes,
So here we will get the divisor,
yes,
2p square. Okay, should we divide both the terms together or should we go individually?
individually.
So what to divide first? What working to do first?
8p 3 times
Upon,
upon 2p square.
okay, so what will get cancelled?
2p,
And
2 ones are, 2 fours are.
2 fours are.
Yes,
So 4 into what is this?
p.
So this will write it in quotient 4p,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
What do we do after that? What two
Yeah.
things we multiply?
We have to multiply the divisor and the quotient.
Correct.
2p square into 4p.
First multiply the numbers. What is 2 into 4?
8
What is p square into p?
p cube.
P cube. This we'll write
We'll
it
write
below.
under the
Yes, correct. So when you subtract, what answer do we get?
0.
0. Also now we'll get this below. That is minus 4p square. Okay, repeat the same. What do we do in this now?
We write minus 4p square
Upon
upon 2p square.
what will get cancelled?
2p,
And
2 ones are, 2 twos are.
so what is this?
Minus 2.
Acha, what if only 2 would come here? Then what would you write here?
Plus 2.
Correct. If there is no minus, then you'll write plus 2. But since minus is there, we are writing minus 2.
Yes.
Now tell me, what do we multiply below?
We write the quotient and the divisor. So
Yes.
it's 2p square into 2
Not into 2. Now this is the quotient.
into minus 2.
So what is 2 into minus 2?
Minus 4.
And just p square is there. That's why I'm writing minus 4p square, which I'll write it below. Acha, here when we subtract, the sign will change.
Yes.
So,
We'll write plus in the bracket.
so plus 4p square and minus 4p square will get
Cut.
cut. So what is the remainder?
0.
What is the quotient?
Quotient is 4p minus 2.
And again, what is the remainder?
0.
Okay, fine.
So can I mute myself?
Yeah, you can. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Now we had 2 terms. Now the same type, it will become for 3 terms. Okay. Yes, Omkar, I'll give you one of the sums. But let's see if I can get some other people for now. Anybody from Saidam who wants to answer? Deepika, you just now answered. Anyone else from Saidam or anyone from Devi Dayal? Okay, let me pick someone from Parla. Okay, let's try Ayush from Parla. Hello, Ayush Pednikar. Okay, Ayush doesn't want to answer. Anyone else from Parla who wants to answer? Chandan, Aryan, Arva. If you all want, raise your hand. Okay, let's try Chandan. Chandan, do you want to answer? Chandan also doesn't want to answer. Okay. Anybody from Ghatkopar who wants to answer? Let's try Param. Hello, Param.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Help me out in the next sum, okay?
Yes.
Right now we are on the 7th question. So that
Yes.
is 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by 2y square. Okay, can you tell me what is this?
Dividend.
And this?
Divisor.
Okay. So when you divide here, we'll write the dividend, that is 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3. And here we'll write
Yes.
2y square. Now remember, when you're dividing, no, highest that we can divide is still y square. अगर यहाँ पे y होता था, that is lesser than the power of the divisor, we cannot divide. अगर यहाँ पे y ही नहीं है तो we definitely cannot divide. So we can only divide till here. इससे ज़्यादा तक divide नहीं कर. Okay, I'll explain it to you when we reach there. But tell me, should we divide all the 3 terms together or should we divide individually?
Individually.
तो सबसे पहले इससे start करते हैं. So what to do in the working?
2 into y into y into y.
Upon
2 into y square. Y into y.
so what will get cancelled?
Both the y's from above.
Okay. And
2 and 2.
so what is the remaining?
Y.
So y we'll write on top. Correct?
Okay.
Now what should we multiply?
Yes. 2y square into y.
Okay, that is divisor into quotient. So answer क्या देगा?
2y cube.
Where to write this? 2y cube.
2y cube below the
Below
dividend.
2y cube. Yes. So when you subtract, what will be the answer?
0.
Okay. Next we'll take this below. So that is plus 4y square. So now again same step. So what to write on top?
2 3y.
Hmm?
2 into y into y into y.
ये हो गया ना? Now this is the dividend.
4 into y into y.
4 into y upon divisor क्या है?
2 into y into y.
तो क्या क्या कैंसिल होगा?
Both the y
ओके,
and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4.
तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखे हैं?
2.
जस्ट 2.
Yes, sir.
लास्ट टाइम -2 आया था तो वी हैड रिटन -2. अभी सिर्फ 2 आया है, तो व्हाट साइन शुड कम इन बिटवीन? प्लस या माइनस?
Plus.
प्लस.
Plus.
Okay. Now what will we multiply?
2y square into 2.
That is divisor into quotient. So 2 twos are
4.
और ये y
4y
square
square.
as it is. So 4y square, we'll write it here and we'll subtract it. So what will we get?
0, sir.
0. अब लास्ट में क्या लेंगे?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Now actually we should stop here, but still I'll explain it. कि अब देखो डिविडेंड 3 है और डिवाइजर 2y स्क्वायर है, दैट इज 2 into y into y. टेल मी, नीचे वाले कोई सारे वाइज कैंसिल हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं?
No.
तो ऐसा डिवीजन नहीं चलेगा. वी शुड नॉट गेट y in the denominator, we should get it in the numerator. So this 3 will remain as it is. It will not get divided further. So now can you tell me in this case what is the quotient?
Y plus 2.
And what is the remainder?
3.
3. Yes, this was the last. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Omkar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you do the eighth sum now?
Yes, sir.
So the eighth sum says,
It's actually very easy.
Vikroli, some Harsha, someone is making signs. Just control your fingers. 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. So when we are dividing now, what to write inside?
The dividend, which is
So 21x
21
raised to
x
4.
raised to 4 minus 14x squared plus 7x.
And the divisor is?
7x cube.
Okay. So tell me, what do we start with first?
Okay. 21 x raised to 4. Yeah, which is x 4x upon 7x cube.
We can even write x raised to 4 if you are more comfortable like that.
Yeah,
This is
anyway, it's
easiest.
fine. Yeah, okay. So firstly, the 3x's will get cancelled of both the and then 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So first we got 3x. Yeah, 3x.
Hmm.
And then and then first we'll do the multiplication, right? So 7x cube into 3x is equal to 21 x raised to 4.
X cube into x is x raised to 4,
Yes, sir.
which we'll write it below.
Yeah.
21 x raised to 4.
So we
So when we
subtract
subtract,
it, 0.
0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, what do we take?
We can't take anything actually
So if I take minus 14x square,
because the degree of the dividend is less than that of the divisor.
correct. So even if someone forgets it and goes to try, when you all try it out, you all will realize that niche x is remaining. That is not okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
should get x in the numerator, not in the denominator. So we cannot divide it. So जो भी बच जाता है उसको नीचे लेके आ जाओ.
Plus
And
7x.
this becomes our remainder now. Okay, whatever is this remaining. So Omkar, can you tell me what is the quotient?
Yes, sir. Quotient is 3x.
And what is the remainder?
Remainder is minus 14x squared plus 7 plus 7x.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone, we will try 2 more sums. Okay, let's try Twisha from JB Nagar. Hello, Twisha. Hello, yes, Twisha, you want to answer? Okay, Twisha doesn't want to answer. Adit from Ghatkopar. Hello, Adit. Okay, looks like many people don't want to answer. Well, let's try Bhagya from DN Nagar. Hello, Devin. From next time, if people are not unmuting themselves, they'll be removed. Okay. Okay, Nicandro. Let's try Nicandro.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you help me in the next sum now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 9th question. So that is 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. We are dividing it by 2x square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we are dividing it, minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. Yes. Nicandro, can you tell me the first step?
Sir, we'll do it individually. So first we'll take 6x raised
How
to
many
power
times?
5. 6x, x, and x
Correct. And denominator?
divided by 2x square. 2x and x.
So what will get cancelled?
2x on top and 2x on down.
Yes. What else?
2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are.
So 3 and this. So what is remaining?
3x cube.
3x. Next, what do we multiply?
2x square multiplied by 3x cube.
Which is equal to?
6x raised to power 5.
Very good. Okay, this we'll write it below and we will subtract. So what answer do we get?
0.
Okay. Next, let's take minus 4x raised to 4. So repeat the same steps.
4x.
Minus 4
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. X, 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 and x.
upon
2x square.
now what will get cancelled?
The 2 x's from up and down.
Then
2 2s are 4.
so what should I write here now?
Minus 2, sir. Minus 2x square.
X square, very good. Because 2x are remaining. Now what do we multiply?
2x square multiplied by minus 2x square.
Okay. What will we get?
Minus 4x raised to power 4.
Minus 4 x raised to the power 4, which will write it here. Now when you go to subtract, the sign will change to what?
Sir, plus.
So what will both become?
Uh,
Minus
So
4x
both
4.
will get removed.
Yes,
It will
cancel.
become 0. Cancel. Yes.
Yes. So let's take this down. Plus 8x cubed. Okay. Repeat the same steps.
So 8x x x
Upon.
divided by upon 2x x.
So what will get cancelled?
2 x's from up and down.
Okay.
And 2 fours are 8.
2 4 by 8. So what should I write here?
Plus 4x.
Okay. Now what do we multiply?
2x squared multiplied by 4x.
What do we get?
8x cubed.
All right. 8x cubed here. We subtract. What do we get?
0, sir.
0. Okay. Now we'll take plus 2x squared down. Now tell me again, what will we divide?
2x x upon 2x x.
Okay.
2 x's will get cancelled from up and down.
Hmm.
And 2 ones are 2. Both 2 will get cancelled.
So what should I write here?
So plus 1.
Yes. And if I multiply 2x square into 1, what do I get?
2x squared, sir.
And we'll write that 2x square here and we'll subtract. What answer do we get?
0, sir.
So can you tell me what is the quotient?
So the question is 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 1.
And what is the remainder?
So remainder 0.
Very good. Have you understood the sum?
Yes, sir.
Can you try the last sum by yourself?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what I'll do now is, since we have practiced 9 sums together, I'll give the 10th sum as homework and we'll discuss it next time. So again, everyone, the homework is entire 10.1 practice set. So next Monday, we can start with 10.2. Okay. Fine. I hope everyone will do the homework sincerely. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.